Welcome back. Today I'm sharing how to make this easy Funfetti cake. A lot of you have asked for a simple cake design that's great for bakers who are just starting to decorate cakes or who are still getting comfortable making layer cakes. This cake is made with 4 Funfetti cake layers that are 8 inches across. I trimmed the caramelization from the sides and leveled them using a serrated knife, and then I'm adding a generous layer of my American buttercream between each cake layer. I colored my buttercream a teal color using some AmeriColor gel food coloring, and I'm just going to repeat this process as I build my cake up. It's really important that you get an even layer of buttercream on each cake layer because that will help you build up a level cake that's nice and straight and isn't lopsided. That's also why I like to level my cake layers using a knife, just to make sure they're nice and flat, but that step is totally optional and you can also choose to just level out your cake with extra buttercream. So it really just comes down to your preference. Once I had stacked all 4 of my cake layers, I was sure to flip my top cake layer upside down just to make it easier to frost. Next, I covered the cake in a thin layer of frosting to act as the crumb coat. And I say this every time, but the crumb coat helps trap in any crumbs that might have gone rogue during your assembly to make sure that you get a really smooth second layer of frosting. Once the cake is fully covered, I like to use my bench scraper to get it really smooth, and I then pop the cake into the freezer for about 5 minutes until that crumb coat is firm to the touch. Then it's time for our second, thicker layer of frosting. So one of the tricks to getting really smooth sides on your cake is being sure that you're using enough frosting. I think a lot of people try to apply too thin of a layer, and that makes it so much harder to get a smooth finish. If you want to hear more tips and tricks about how to frost a cake with smooth sides, you can click the link in the upper right corner for my full tutorial. As soon as you're done smoothing, you want to add the sprinkles around the base of the cake. This is really important because American buttercream crusts where it gets kind of a thin shell around it that firms up due to the high sugar content, and you want to get the sprinkles onto the cake before that happens. So I like to use a spoon just to add the sprinkles around the base, and then I very lightly push them into the cake using a small offset spatula. I highly recommend doing this over a baking sheet that has edges, just to help prevent the sprinkles from going everywhere and to help save a lot of time on cleanup. The final step is to pipe some fun buttercream swirls on top of your cake. I set aside about 1.5 cups of buttercream and colored it pink before I colored the rest teal. So once your buttercream swirls are in place, you can add some extra sprinkles on top of them to match the border of the cake. And just like that, our Funfetti cake is complete. So now it's time to just cut in and taste test this cake. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget the recipe for my Funfetti cake layers and my American buttercream are both up on Chelsweets.com, so be sure to put them to good use. Thanks so much for watching. Hopefully I'll see you guys again soon.